Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Discord. So let's start. First, open the Discord app. When the app opens, it will land you on your server's inbox. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and you will see a menu bar at the bottom of the screen. On the right hand side you will see your profile icon with a green circle. Tap on that and it will take you to user settings. This is your user settings. Now scroll down below. And under app settings, you will see appearance. Tap on that. At the top of the screen, you will see theme. And by default, light is selected. Now select dark. And the dark mode on Discord will be enabled. Now if you go back, the app will restart. And that is how you can enable dark mode on Discord. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.